what's up? Welcome back to Tech Phantom. And in today's video, let's find out, is the Pixel 7 better than the Samsung Galaxy S22 or even the iPhone 13? So if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So starting off with the pros of the Pixel 7 series is, first of all, is its camera department, and as we all know how great is the Pixel camera lineup of this year is great. Well, not only that, this time the Pixel is also coming with some new thing which is a face unblur, and you can also even unblur your old pictures which were even not shot by your Pixel smartphone. Just the picture need to be in your Google Photos app, and you will be able to unblur a photo, whether it might be any old. Well, moving on to the next thing, then the next thing which the Google Tensor G2 chip can do is the one of the greatest thing from the chipset, and it's the live transition. Now, the translations of this app is very next level, and you won't find this kind of translations in any of the other smartphone available in the market, as the Google Tensor G2 is indeed one the best smartest smartphone available right now which you can buy. Well, not only that, you can also make a call if you are making a spam call or the number which is automated voice recording. Then you can also make calls via your Google Assistant itself. It can book a table for you at the restaurant and much more things which it can do that any other smartphone cannot do. Well, not so great thing about this smartphone is going to be its performance, as it's a Tensor G2 processor. It's not much of enhanced from the previous generation, and it's more similar towards the Snapdragon 865, let's say. But the main motto of this smartphone is indeed not sending you the fastest processor available, but indeed the smartest processor available. Well, the later you won't be getting any kind of a jitter or lags with this smartphone, but yeah, sometimes it might be an issue if you are gaming a lot on this smartphone. The smartphone can also might be getting a bit warm, so that might be an issue if you are someone a power user. Well, the battery life was also a decent one when compared to the other smartphones in our list, which is the Galaxy S22 and the iPhone 13 too. So battery life, again, it's a check mark, and it offers 30 watt of fast charging support, which is again higher than the S22 and the iPhone 13. Well, moving forward, then other thing is the display. It's a 6.3 inch of a display, and it's a 90 hertz display for the Pixel 7 Vanilla Edition and the Pixel 7. So the S22 you get a 120 hertz of high refresh rate display, and for the iPhone it's still stuck at 60 FPS high refresh rate. Well, sorry, apologies. We cannot say a 60 refresh rate, a high refresh rate. So, moving on, next thing about this smartphone is overall the camera performance is very good with this smartphone. And when we compare the pricing of this smartphone at $600, this makes indeed one of the best phone, if not the best phone available in the market. The main selling point of this smartphone for the persons is going to be the camera, and the design of this smartphone is also pretty new when compared to the other smartphones when we are comparing to it. And overall it's a very slight, or we can say a huge improvement in terms of the internal software, and the slight improvement in terms of its design, as it's a more refined design from the Pixel 6 itself. So, what do you think about this smartphone? Are you planning to buy the Pixel 6? And if you're planning to buy in India, then you can also find the link in the description below. At right now, with the card offers, the phone is available under 50,000 rupees in India. So, you can go check them out too. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down based on your opinion, and I'll see you in the very next one.